let's glue down some commercial carpet. Fast and fun, but what do you do with the giant gobs of glue that are left on the floor and you're all done gluing? Check this out. Alrighty everybody, it's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. This super quick video is for all my DIY buddies that are doing glue down carpet themselves and end up with this leftover pile of glue on the floor. So the trick is, how do you get this back into the bucket without creating a huge mess for yourself? So all you do is you take your trowel, get into a nice pile, and just do that. You see how you got a little bit on there? And we just scrape it right back into the bucket. All in the wrist. And if you get too much, it'll run off. So you just try it again. There you go. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. You just keep working away at it till you get all of it up. So that's all there is to it. You don't have to get little cardboard cutouts and shuffle it up and get it covered all over yourself. Just work that trowel. Get it back into the bucket and you'll have some excess left over for your next install. So, thank you so much for tuning into this quick one, and I'll see you on the next video.